is Igor Cercal. I work at Cinq Technologies. And today I'm going to present what is Cinq Technologies, what are our offerings, and starting, what does it mean Cinq? Is commitment, innovation, quality. During the presentation I'm going to present how we work, and our philosophy it's always working with commitment, innovation, quality.
Right there, in front of you. No. The black one.
Sorry. So, an overview of Cinq. We've been working for more than 18 years, and we're specialized in development of mission critical IT projects, professional IT service, mobile applications, innovative solution development. Our market is mainly big IT companies and industry that needs a lot of IT service.
Lateral. No, okay, lateral.
Okay.
There you go.
Sorry. So, where Cinq is located? We are in Brazil, the South American country. We are in a city called Curitiba, it's in southern Brazil. And we have the headquarters in Curitiba, in Ecoville suburb, and also have a branch in downtown. We have a commercial office in São Paulo, which is the biggest market in Brazil, and also have a partner in Atlanta, US, here in the United States. So, our offerings. We work mainly in 3 different areas. The first one is Solution Design Lab. This area provide different innovative projects. So normally we study the market, we study the client needs, and then we provide solutions according to their needs. This area works with inspiration, creativity. So it's not only doing outsourcing. So we try to go to their needs and provide the best solutions. Also we have certified software factory. So we are CMMI level 3 certification, and this, so we do from the beginning the requirements, the developing, the testing, SQA, and also the implementation. And also we have professional IT service, which is we have high-skilled professionals working at Cinq, and then we can provide to the companies to work in their company. In Brazil, normally they work in Brazilian companies inside their teams as a staff augmentation. And also we have in offshoring, so working at the same time with the clients. Well, regarding the Solution Design Lab, we have a new area called Cinq Mobile, which this goes with the new exploding market for smartphones. Some information about the market. This year, 2011, the predictions, it's 50% of non-informatic devices will be smartphones. So this market is getting increasing highly year by year. And also, iPads is increasing a lot in the market. So it's a solution, it's is already in the market. And question, who here has a smartphone or a tablet? Okay, so you see, many companies, many employees are already using this solution, already using this device, and day to day we're going to see more common, more popular this device. And then the company are seeing this as an opportunity to increase their business using mobile applications. So, our mobile department, they research and develop mobile solutions for corporate environment and for also end users. We have 4 or 5 applications in Apple Store. You can download there. And these applications, we start developing to test the market. So how Cinq is going to work and how this market works. We have some example here. Right size, it's nowadays we have sold more than 1,000 applications, and this is quite successful in Brazil. We are the second most selling tourism application in the country. And also we have a new application coming up, which is energy. That application calculates energy consumptions for a certain period of time. So those applications show how you work and what we can develop for your companies. Okay. Well, as I told you before, Cinq always have been innovative and develop innovative projects. So here I'm showing a timeline of some projects who have developed before and very different innovative projects. So Cinq starts in 1902, and in this time we were the second company to develop internet banking in Brazil, and also we developed banking automation in ATMs. In 1997 we developed a smart card solution for Curitiba city public transport. So in that time you use a kind of coin, and then they start developing a software to use smart cards for buy a ticket. And then 2000 with a partner, Dibo and Lactec, we developed electric prepaid solutions in Brazil. And also we developed, we are the first Brazilian company to develop Java applications for Palm OS. In that time it was a very important device. And also we did a testing solution for Brazilian electronic elections. A little bit different between Brazil there and here in US. In US you're still using papers for elections. And in Brazil, since more than 10 years we use automatic system. And then we were the company to do these tests. And also in the last, in 2009, we developed a framework for self-service applications, and which this goes with a check-in interface for self-service kiosks. So as a platform, as a framework, you can develop very easy lots of application for air transportation and industry. In 2010, we started developing smartphones applications. Oops. So, about the mobile, I'd like to come back here to say 2,000 years before the Christ born, the people used rocks to register their life. So this is human. Always humans are trying to register what's going on in their life. So in that time they used rocks. And then in Egypt they start using papyrus. And then with papyrus you have a practical way to register, to write down what's going on in their life, in their society. So the human have been developing the way we register information. And then after the papyrus, we start using paper, and we are still using this technology. And then now it's a revolution. We are going to use day after day more the electronic devices. And then these we say, but iPad is really worth and is important. You're going to substitute the paper. Well, nowadays, of course not. But as the past happens, from the rock to papyrus paper, this is the new device we're going to replace the paper. And many industries are still looking for this and seeing opportunities they can work with. Some technologies we work, many Microsoft technology as .NET, ASP, Silverlight, SharePoint. We develop websites using SharePoint platform, and well, so on. Many different. We also, as SIT, we are not providing only one technology, but we can use the technology that fits with the client needs. So, well, as I said before, Cinq is CMMI level 3. We have ISO 91 since 2000. We also use the PMI guidelines to develop our projects, and we use Agile Scrum methodology for project management. And also about the market in Brazil, Cinq, for the third consecutive year, is among the top 200 fast-growing companies in Brazil, according to the Deloitte report. And also, it has a report that KPMG research showing 31 emerging cities in Brazil and in the world for offshoring. And then they say Curitiba is one of these. And in Curitiba, they point 6 companies, and Cinq is among these companies, as Wipro, HSBC, etc., as Origin Nexon. So, I resume all of our benefits and competitive advantages. So, what's interesting about working with Brazil? I know you've been working with Indian companies, but Brazil is starting being a new lead market for offshoring. And Brazil, we are a big country also. We are close time zone, and we have faster access to Europe and US. Well, and we have stable political and economic environment. I was checking about the news today, and Egypt have been starting as an offshoring country. And because this very stable political, what's going on there are many contracts closed because this challenge they are suffering. So in Brazil, we don't have this problem. We have a democracy. So you can trust and you can keep going with the contracts. And also we have a high level of technological development. And this is very important about Brazilian culture. We are very mixed and European culture with very American influence. So even we speak Portuguese, many Brazilians, they speak English. And when they learn English, they learn the international or the American English. So for communication, it's very important. And also, our culture is very close or similar to the Western culture. So it's much easier to deal with here in America. And also, this is very important in Brazil. It's part of your culture. We are very fast learners. We are creative. We try to solve the problem in the best way for the clients, and we are very flexible and creative. And Curitiba, as I told you before, is a reference in Brazil. We are the 7th largest population, biggest city in Brazil. We are very worried and concerned about ecological and environment. We have the best infrastructure. It's the best city for living, for business in Brazil, at the second for business. We have a very range students and college universities. We also have a technological park, the lowest manpower among the largest capitals, and also have a presence of several companies. And Cinq, we have 18 years of market presence, knowledge in the area. We are very innovative, and we have quality. We are customer oriented. We are between the 6 among KPMG key companies, and also we are Microsoft Gold partner, and we can be the best provider of your service. So, for further information, you can contact our offshore team through this email. We can find us on internet, on the main relationship websites, and we can set up a conference further this event and to start working